everybody, I'm Nat Metallics. Welcome to my channel. I'm in the mood for a get ready with me, but I'm in the mood to kind of chat with you guys a little bit. And I'm starting with my eye tapes here. I want to dive a little bit into some shadows first, and I am getting ready for work, so I'm gonna try to keep it a little light. You know what cracks me up is that every time I put my eye tapes, I'm like, eye tapes on. And I think of, like, I don't know his name, but he's one of those superheroes that he goes, flame on. I have not tried this yet. This is what these shadows look like. We're gonna try our best to keep it light today, but I don't know how much Juvia likes that. I am gonna start off with this Morphe eye primer. It doesn't look like transparent at all. It looks like it may hide our veinage. An eye primer will make your eyeshadow colors pop more. And it's also going to help your shadows last all day. I just hope it's matte enough to hold my crazy ass oils. It feels really, really nice, but I don't see much coverage going on. That's okay with me. So we're gonna start with this bone color shade right here. Sweep that all over the lid and under the brow. First color for shadow always tends to be the same color as my skin tone or something fairly close. Because it's a powder, any other powders you lay on top of it, it's gonna make it blend easier. You know, it's always good to start with something all over the lid first. The more blended and smooth it is, everything else I put on top will be just as smooth. This is the Morphe M433. This is actually a dupe for a Sigma brush. I forgot to mention the first brush that I started with. This is the Morphe E27, and this is very good to diffuse. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Hopefully I don't go overboard. If you start at the edge of the eye and then you blend your way in, it's going to give you diffused look. No matter what your technique is, blend that sucker until you can't blend anymore. I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush. All right, so we're gonna go in with a lid color now, and I need a brush. This is from Real Techniques. This is called the Instapop Crease brush. I think this is great for the lid because it allows you to really be precise and get in there. Since it's curved, it has that slant, which is great. So let's move forward because I gotta get my butt to work. I wanted to do something all over the lid. I am trying to keep it natural, but I don't know how much I'm gonna I don't know how much I can do that with this palette. And I'm gonna diffuse the top again. We're gonna do the outer V now. I got this brush from Sephora. It's not a pencil brush, but it is tightly packed. I'm gonna use this really dark, rich chocolate brown. It's very pigmented. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to even them out here. What do you think, guys? I don't think it's perfect, but my butt gotta get to work soon, so we're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Earthquake eyeliner, a nice matte brown. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Bang Loreal Brow Stylist Definer. I do prefer the color from the Benefit pencil over this one. I'm realizing that, but it's okay. Work, aren't we? Yes, I think so. I think so. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak. It holds the brows up really nicely. It doesn't dispense too much product, which is great. Let's keep it moving with the face. Okay, we're gonna do that NYX Glow today. Yes, yes. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Face Base. It's just so wonderful underneath the makeup. This is the first time we're gonna go in with this. Born to Glow from NYX. You guys rarely see me use any brushes to apply foundation. I used to use brushes all the time. Sponges are so great and they spread the product evenly, and it's just, to me, it's a faster application. And this is the Primetime Coop Daisy. Oh, this looks a little light. Let's just test one side before we do the entire face here. It looks like it gives good coverage. Ooh, this is a nice finish. I like it. Never tried a foundation from NYX. Oh, I gotta fix this hack job over here. What the hell did I do over here? I'm going to move this crazy headband a little bit further back because we're going to go in with this 4, or I should say 5 head here. I didn't put anything under my eye, so that has no product here. And I think it's great coverage. It's very nice. I don't know how luminous it is though. It says glow, and I'm not seeing too much of a glow. But that's okay. I like the finish of it, even though that's why I bought it. I feel like I always use the same concealer, guys. The Loreal one. I just love that thing. That is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, by the way. This is the Covergirl True Blend. It's pretty. I like this freaking shadow. It's so pretty. I love to apply makeup in the fall because it allows you to be a little bit more dark. And you can play with like the berry shadows and the warm tones and the neutrals and the green. You know, I love that. This is the Real Techniques Powder Instapop Brush. I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio FX Powder. I'm in the shade NC42. The Bare Minerals Fox Tan Bronzer. It's a loose powder bronzer. I've never tried that before. The Real Techniques Blush Brush. Blush Brush. One of my favorite parts of makeup is applying bronzer. I tend to go a little crazy with bronzer. I don't know if it's my skin tone that I'm able to get away with that. Ooh, I like this. I like it. I like it. I like it. Very, very nice. This is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Sunlight. Very nice. It's subtle, but I like that. Oh, it's so pretty. I think this is going to be my favorite highlighter. I'm taking my sponge and I'm just going to blend a little. I'm going back in with that camel shade. I need a slightly precise brush. And I'm just going to apply it directly under the lash line. I'm going to go in with mascara on the bottom lash line also. You know, when I do all these steps, it makes me feel like everything is complete. I like this look so far. I am loving that bronzer. We need some lips up in here and some lips. This is the Colourpop lip pencil in Curvii. It's so dirty. I'm sorry, guys. I got product all over here, but this is a really pretty nude brown. I'm going to fill the lip in with this color. They have a creamy enough formula that they're not going to do a hack job on your lips. This is the Morphe liquid lipstick in Peanut. Look how pretty is this shade. I love it. I swatched it on my hand for you guys. That big swatch there, that's Peanut. I think that's so pretty with this eye color. You know, it kind of balances out there. I'm gonna try this Loreal Shake and Glow. It's very light mist. I kind of like that. Dispenses just the right amount of glow on the face. Look at that. I like it. The combination with this and that highlighter, oh yeah, mama is glowing today. Didn't clean up under, you know, in this area. Again, I'm rushing for work. I don't usually do those steps when I'm going to work. I did want to do another get ready with me video. I kind of like that. I hope you guys like it too. Yeah, I hope you guys are happy with the way the look turned out. I think this is a very nice look for work and for fall. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Thank you for spending the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out my other videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.